Hi, this is Mr. Leo, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how students can complete Nearpod assignments that are delivered via Google Classroom. Nearpod is essentially a platform where teachers can deliver direct instruction through slideshows, but also intersperse those slides with assessment questions. So let's take a look at what that might look like. We're going to go here to Google Classroom, and on the classwork page, you'll notice a Nearpod assignment has been posted. We're going to click View Assignment. And like the others that you've seen so far, this is another one where the students want to manually mark as done when they're all done to let the teacher know they've completed it. But for now, typically Nearpod is done in class in a live session where the teacher controls the pacing of the assignment. The teacher can swipe a screen and the student screens will then change to reflect what the teacher wants them to see. And periodically there will be some assessment questions interspersed with the slides. So let's open this up. Normally there's a code, but in this case, the code is already embedded as part of the student-paced version of this particular assignment. The student-paced version is a licensed version, so this is typically not available to people that have the free version of Nearpod. Let me just put my name in here, join a session. And again, this is self-paced, so the student would proceed through the lesson. There are arrows back and forth. There's also a menu if you need the code, want to add some notes or exit the lesson, you can. Notice right off the bat, there's a couple quiz questions. True or false, international trade routes extended over land as well as by sea. We're going to say true for that. And we'll go to the next question. Which of the following was not part of the Silk Road trade? We'll say South America for that one. And we will submit. The teacher will get that information. The student also gets that feedback right off the bat. Notice they got both questions correct. And you can see the questions listed down below. Green indicating correct, red indicating incorrect. Teacher's lesson once again, information shared with the students via direct instruction. More slides showing the spread of religion. Now we have a draw it style question. Draw a red circle around Western Europe, a yellow triangle around South Asia, green square around East Asia. You have some tools at the bottom of the screen. Notice you have the pencil icon, an eraser, text, image. I'm sorry, this must be a highlighter, text, image, and eraser. We've been prompted to use the text tool. Red circle goes over Western Europe. That is blue, so I need to fix that. We'll use the undo button to do that. I thought I had selected red. There we go. Next portion of the question, which I've already forgotten. Let's pull that down here with this triangle. Yellow triangle around South Asia. Once again, let's go to our tools. We'll draw a yellow triangle. And then finally, we're looking for a green square around East Asia. When we're all set, we can submit this. It goes to the teacher for review. More slides, more direct instruction, more direct instruction. Now we have another option here. Actually, this is just an image on the page. Part of the direct instruction didn't come across so well. Another slide, another slide, another slide, another slide, and eventually an open-ended question, which I skipped on accident. Here we go, open-ended question. You got to wait for the fireworks. Here it is. How did trade facilitate change? I'm just going to type in, this is my answer. When I'm all set, I'm going to submit that. No feedback for this one. And then a poll question. Again, there's no correct answer. Wait for the fireworks. How well do you understand ancient global trade routes? I'll say I need some clarification. We're going to submit that. And that's it. We've completed the lesson. We can start over if we want. We can close that. And remember, since we're in Google Classroom, we want to let the teacher know we've wrapped this up so we can click Mark as done. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.